Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an English first paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, lesson 22, Wonders of the World. And this is your second class of your annual examinations. So my dear students, let's start the class. I have said before you topic lesson 22 Wonders of the World, annual term, lecture 2. This is your second lecture of annual examinations. So let's read the passage, read the following text and answer the question that follows. The Taj Mahal is also known as the Taj. Known as means famous, well known, renowned. It is a white marble tomb located in Agra in India. So located, similar word, situated. Do you know the story behind the Taj Mahal? The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan loved his wife Mumtaz Mahal more than his life. Mumtaz died at an early age. Early age means similar word might be premature age. We can also say untimely death. Shah Jahan was very shocked at her death. So he built the Taj Mahal as a token of love for his wife. The similar word of token, symbol. It is a place where Mumtaz is sleeping forever. The Taj has an area of about 1003 acres or 405 hectares. So this is the same, 1003 acres, and we can convert it hectares, it will be 405 hectares. The Taj Mahal is the finest example of Mughal architecture. It combines the art of Persia, Turkey and India. So Taj Mahal combines the art of three countries. It is Persia, Turkey and India. It took 21 years and thousands of artisans and craftsmen to complete the Taj Mahal. So it took 21 years to complete the construction of the work. The Taj is universally admired as one of the wonders of the world. So admired, praised. So let's move on to number 1. Choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives. Number 1. It is a white marble tomb located in Agra in India. Here the word located is similar to vacated. Vacated means plain, clear. And location means position. Look at the word located, adjective, and location here is noun. So the meaning also is different. Situated, attached. Attached means close to. So number 1, the answer will be situated. Okay. Number 2, the Taj Mahal is also known as the Taj. Here known means printed, written, liked, recognized. So number 2 answer will be recognized. Next one. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan loved his wife Mumtaz Mahal more than his life. Which of the following words is not a synonym of the word emperor? Ruler, similar words, subject, king, monarch. So these three words, ruler, king, monarch, are similar words, and subject is not the similar word of the word emperor. So subject will be answer. Mumtaz died at an early age. The term early age means old age, no. Childhood age, no. Teen age, no. Premature age, or we can say untimely death, untimely. So the answer will be premature age. So he built the Taj Mahal as a token of love for his wife. What does token means? Size, symbol, disfigure, taken. So the answer will be, I have said before, symbol. Token, similar words, symbol. Shah Jahan was very shocked at her death. Which of the following words opposite meaning to death? So we will find the opposite meaning of death. The birth is the opposite meaning of death. Death, birth. And demise, decease, expiry. These three words are synonym word of the word death. So the answer will be birth. The Taj Mahal combines the art of Turkey and India, Persia, Turkey and India, Persia and India, Persia, Iraq and India. We know from the passage that the answer will be three countries, Persia, Turkey and India. The Taj Mahal is the finest example of Iranian architecture, Muslim architecture, Mughal architecture, Indian architecture. So the answer will be the Mughal architecture. The Taj has an area of about 1003 acres, 405 hectares, C, A and B. So I have said before, if you convert to 1003 acres, it will be 405 hectares. So the answer will be all the above. Thousands of artisans and craftsmen completed the Taj Mahal in 12 years, in 20 years, in 22 years, 21 years. So the answer will be 21 years. Answer the following questions. We will practice every passage as a Sin passage 1 and Sin passage 2. Sin passage 1, so is the correct answer from the alternatives, and Sin passage 2, 5 questions will become. So number A, how much did the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan love his wife? So the questions starts with did, so we will answer the questions in past indefinite tense. We will take the subject first. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, as did here in question, we will keep past form of verb. Shah Jahan loved his wife more than his life. Second question, number B, why was Emperor Shah Jahan shocked? Answer, Emperor Shah Jahan was shocked at the death of his wife. Why did he build the Taj Mahal? The question starts with did. We also will answer the question past indefinite tense. He built. As the question starts with did, we will add after subject past participle of verb past indefinite tense. He built the Taj Mahal to immortalize the name of Mumtaz Mahal. Number D, how many artisans and craftsmen worked to complete the Taj Mahal? Thousands of artisans and craftsmen worked to complete the Taj Mahal. Last one, number E, how is the Taj universally admired? So answer, the Taj is universally admired as one of the wonders of the world. So this is our class today, my dear students. I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home about your parents. Stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.